Mama Cat and Baby Tiger began their fun morning inside their cozy playroom. Baby Tiger wanted to build something big, something strong, a toy castle.
Mama Cat loved the idea and promised to help him build it.
Together, they prepared all the blocks they would need. Baby Tiger tried to build alone, but the blocks kept falling.
Mama Cat showed him how to balance each block carefully. A strong base, Mama Cat said, makes everything stand tall.
Baby Tiger loved learning new building tricks.
Layer by layer, their castle began to rise.
Oops! Baby Tiger made a tiny mistake.
But Mama Cat corrected it gently and encouraged him.
Together, they worked like a perfect team.
They added little windows to make the castle magical. Baby Tiger couldn't stop smiling.
Mama Cat passed blocks one by one, helping him focus.
Let's try again. Together.
Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3.
They build the royal rooftop of the castle. They add tiny flags, sparkle decorations, and cute little shapes. Subscribe!
Friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes!
Like, share, and subscribe our channel.